Today I am doing the vending machine only challenge because Fortnite recently made vending machines free, which gave me the idea to do this video. Totally original, by the way. So there's not one in Tilted either, so if the one that's here it's not here, well then I don't know, probably gonna give someone a free kill. I don't know. Vending machine, please. No. Alright. Alright, house circle in paradise. Alright. Hey, default, why you bullying me? You know? There should be a vending machine, like, no, a bit below that, about there, like right next to that building. And there also should be one in that backyard area there. Alright, turn off the map. There is no vending. Wait, that's a gold vending machine. There definitely is a vending machine there. Scar, P90, Scar. Taking P90, alright, thank you. Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. Alright, there we go. Oh, another vending machine here. Let's go. Pump. That's it. This is gonna be a big game. Ow. Oh my god. I am so bad at this game. I missed like every shot. Oh no. I probably should have taken a warm-up round. Alright. That's what you get for no warm-up round, isn't it? And if you're saying the first round was a warm-up round, it really wasn't, by the way. I got no vending machine. That time, I had the god loot. All I needed was a scar and I was set, but nah, I just screwed it up bad. I think, honestly, I might go to Paradise again. Wait, house circle with Paradise? Not very nice. Lucky has 2. So I'm gonna head Lucky, or I might head Happy. Happy has 3. Yeah, I'm gonna head Happy. In the frozen area, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 14 vending machines in the frozen area total. And Happy has 3 of them. Frosty has another 3. And then there's 3 of them also near Happy. So there's 6 near Happy in total. So yeah. I'm kind of tempted to go to spawn even though I know it won't work. Those vending machines in Happy better spawn. Is anyone even going Happy? Are you going Happy? No, you're not. Alright, vending machines, where are you at? Oh, one here. With grenade launcher, pump. Yeah, I'm gonna take that pump. Alright. Wait, these chairs give you brick now? That's weird. Alright, I'm gonna head in here. And then I'm pull up that map again. I should really stop closing it. Because I need to know where the rest of them in Happy are. Alright, there we go. That's a sniper shot. Oh. Alright, you know what? I'm going. No. Dang it. I jumped down. Alright. Oh god. I'm heading up for it. Wait, what? He's over there now? Hit me, I dare you. I will take all that, thank you. No heals allowed. Gonna have to head to circle. Wait, why did I pick that up? Okay, I can take this baller into circle. I'm a spider. Oh, traps are always allowed. And yes, this counts as a trap. I'm just gonna open these anyway, even though I know I can't take anything from them, except the mats. And the thing is, these vending machines aren't infinite, so even if they did spawn at one point, they might not be there anymore. I heard a sniper shot. There's a vending machine near the river, but yeah, I can head there. It's over there. Vehicles are so helpful. Is that like a sky bridge or something? No, that's Polar Peak. I'm really hoping this vending's here. Doesn't seem to be. RIP. I could try Dusty or Tilted, but no, Tilted's on circle. Yeah, I'm gonna head to Dusty. Surprised I haven't found another person yet. Alright. Seriously, why are these guys still spectating me? Is this like a visual glitch or something? I doubt they'd both still be spectating me. Wait. Is that... Oh, heck no. All I have is a pump and not many mats. Get juked. Wait, is this guy trying to latch onto me? Yes. Get out of here. Thank you. Thank you very much for understanding that I need you to get out of here, and that's a gold vending machine. Let's go. That's insane. I'm not gonna take the shotgun because I already have one. P90. Oh man, that's actually the luck. Let's go. And now watch this. I'm about to dunk on this guy. Never mind. Holy home of sweat. Thank you very much. Oh, come on. Please. Oh, wait. That's... No one's in that. I thought someone was in that, and I was like, please don't do this. You know, honestly, turrets, they could be meta at endgame. Is this? This is mine, right? Yeah, I can edit it. Alright, head to circle now. There's kids fighting over there. I'm not sure if I want to intercept in that, though. I'm ahead for that second volcano vent. Make it. don't want to take damage, but I did anyway. Alright. There's a baller over there. I got ammo for days, so I could shoot at it. Is there a cannon in here? I want to launch myself all the way up, or I could take that vent too. Yeah, I'm gonna take the vent. Oh, okay, there's someone there, so I'm gonna take this vent again. Oh, there's also someone there. Oh god. This is not the situation I was hoping to be in. I can't go either of those directions. Well, I can, but kind of don't want to. Alright, hold on. Another turret. Traps are always fair game. Alright, this is how I'm gonna win the game, guys. You see this? No, just kidding. This does not seem right. Like, a bit. Oh my god. Oh heck no, he's a sniper. He just went somewhere else. Alright. I was not gonna peek that. All I have is a P90 for remotely long range. There's someone. Third party much? Oh my god. Oh my god.